In this video, we are going to discuss the health benefits of drinking cucumber and cabbage juice. If you're looking for a simple and natural way to relieve heartburn, detoxify the body, boost immunity, manage blood pressure and more, this video is ideal for you. Vegetable juice is not a novel idea. In fact, to make up for the 4 to 5 servings of vegetables, some experts advise adding vegetables to the diet. The most widely consumed juices are carrot, beetroot, and celery juices, but among wellness enthusiasts, cucumber and cabbage juice is quickly replacing them as the new health tonic. Do the health benefits of cucumber and cabbage juice justify including it in your diet? The health advantages of drinking cucumber and cabbage juice, as well as the nutritional value of both ingredients, will be thoroughly examined in this video. Cucumber and cabbage juice provide the following health benefits. Number 1. Relieves heartburn. Cabbage juice has long been used to treat peptic ulcers, an excess acid caused by an H. pylori infection. Cucumber has been shown in studies to have a highly neutralizing effect on stomach acids, making it an effective acid reflux treatment. Drinking half a glass of cabbage and cucumber juice can thus provide immediate relief from acidity. Number 2. Detoxifies the body. Cucumber and cabbage are both excellent detoxifying agents for the body. Cucumber was found to be particularly effective in removing toxins from the body, and heat-treated cucumber juice also aids in liver detoxification from alcohol. Furthermore, cabbage juice reduced heavy metal-induced kidney damage and is useful for flushing toxins from the organ. Cucumber has also been shown to help with liver detoxification by supporting the enzymes involved in detoxification pathways and aiding in the removal of toxins. Number 3. Boosts immunity. Vegetables are high in vitamins and minerals, which aid in immune function. Cabbage and cucumber are no exception. Cabbage is high in vitamin C, which helps to boost the body's immune response. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds, which help to improve the body's immune response. In a study of cabbage extracts for dermatitis, an inflammatory skin condition, cabbage reduced both inflammation and immune cell levels, improving the overall outcome of inflammation. In animal studies, cabbage improved the immune response to foreign bacteria, resulting in a lower risk of infection. Cucumber is also antimicrobial, meaning it helps the body fight off foreign microbes. Number 4. Supports skin health. Cabbage juice reduces inflammation and is beneficial for skin conditions like dermatitis, and nutrients like vitamin C and selenium improve the texture and appearance of the skin. They increase collagen production to reduce fine lines and hyperpigmentation by decreasing melanin production. Cucumber is well known for its use in spas and facials. It is regarded as a skin health superfood. Cucumber contains vitamins A and C, which moisturize the skin, reduce oil secretion, soothe the skin, and inhibit melanin production. Including one serving, 200 milliliters, of cucumber and cabbage juice in your diet can be beneficial to your health, but it can also be used as a toner or face spray. Number 5. May support bone health. It may seem surprising that vegetables like cabbage and cucumber could improve bone health, but adding vegetables to your diet is actually very beneficial to your bones. Cabbage is high in calcium, which is beneficial to bone health. Vegetables also have an alkalizing effect on the body, which means they lower the acid load. This is important for maintaining sodium-potassium balance and preventing muscle wasting and bone loss. Number 6. May aid in managing blood pressure. Cabbage is an excellent vegetable for controlling blood pressure. According to research, cruciferous vegetables like cabbage can effectively lower blood pressure and the risk of heart disease. Because of its high potassium content, cucumber juice has been shown to be effective in lowering blood pressure. It also improves blood flow and promotes relaxation. How to make cucumber and cabbage juice. A few cabbage leaves should be washed and diced. 1 whole cucumber, washed and diced. To sweeten the juice, you may choose to dice an apple. Blend them thoroughly, then strain to get the pulp out. To enhance the flavor, you can add a squeeze of lemon juice or a sprinkle of Himalayan salt. Nutritional profile of cabbage and cucumber. Cabbage is high in essential nutrients. 100 grams of raw cabbage provides the following daily requirements: 3% of calcium, 4% of potassium, 11% of folate, 41% of vitamin C, 63% of vitamin K. On the other hand, cucumber is a rich source of electrolytes and can support the body's fluid balance. You can meet your daily needs of the following nutrients with just one cucumber: 6% of vitamin B5, 4% of vitamin B6, 5% of folate, 5% of vitamin C, 8% of vitamin K, 10% of copper, 4% of potassium. Precautions to consider. Raw cabbage and its juice should be avoided by those who have hypothyroidism because they contain goitrogens that can worsen symptoms and lower TSH levels. Additionally, people taking blood clotting medications should avoid eating cabbage due to the high vitamin K content of the vegetable. Most asked questions. How often can I drink this juice? You can have one serving, 200 milliliters, of this juice daily. What time of the day should I drink this juice? You can have this juice in the morning on an empty stomach, or at least 30 minutes before meals to maximize the absorption of nutrients. This will also benefit people who suffer from acidity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.